Hi everyone, welcome back to Navigating a Scent-Free Life in a Scent-Filled World. I'm Rebecca and today we are going shopping. So I have on my wrap, I have my pins for my mask, and I do plan to make a video about masks soon, so hold on for that. I have my EpiPen, never leave home without it, and I have my jacket. So these are my reusable grocery bags, and yes, I did fold them for your viewing pleasure. This is a bag of homemade alcohol wipes, and this is just in case I need to use a shopping cart. You know, people's lotions and hand sanitizers and all kinds of stuff will get on the handle, and I find that alcohol works better than vinegar to get scent off of hard surfaces. Vinegar does work, but alcohol seems to work a little bit better. Even hydrogen peroxide is often a good choice to get scent off of hard surfaces. Okay, so I have finished my grocery shopping, and I thought in the first store that I would take some pictures of some items that say that they're unscented, and then show you the ingredient list so that you can see that they still contain items that are increasing the smell value. And then I realized, you know, I could take pictures all day, and you probably already know to check the ingredient list and not just the front label. So I want this channel to be a channel about solutions and not problems. So you might still see a couple of pictures make it to the final edit, but don't expect too many. Now, before I go home, I want to talk to you about something. If you're sensitive to scent, you've experienced this. You're in the grocery store, you've already made your selections, and you're in the checkout line to check out when the Princess of Patchouli pulls up behind you. What do? Well, I could pull out my mask. I really don't like to do that unless I absolutely have to. I could get out of line and get into another line, but I have found that the royal family of Cologne doesn't take too kindly to that. And not wanting to make anybody feel uncomfortable, usually what I do is I just tell them, oh, I need to get one more thing. It's not a lie, I do need to get one more thing. I need to get out of their way. And then I go just take another lap around the store. I need the steps anyway, right? What do you do when you come across a member of the royal family in your shopping experience? I'd love to know. So let me know any other questions that you might have about grocery shopping, and I hope to see you later. Bye for now.